Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to make anyone cannot see members you follow on LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So in the midst of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And after that you can go the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your photos. Click on, and let's go to the settings. And the next step, click the visibility, and you can slide away until you find who can see members you follow. Okay, there is two options for you. The first one, the only visible to me, it means it's only you can see about your LinkedIn members you follow. Second one, there is anyone on LinkedIn, it means anyone can see about the follow. It means you see about the members you follow. And how to make the anyone cannot see, you cannot type the only visible to me, and it's directly to you to make the anyone cannot see for the members you follow. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to make anyone cannot see members you follow on LinkedIn for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.